If your Buick Envision keeps dropping Apple CarPlay mid-drive, the fix is usually simpler than a trip to the dealership. Statistically, 85% of these connection drops are caused by low quality or damaged charging cables. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your infotainment system stable again. Start by clearing the connection on both ends, cleaning your ports, and ensuring your software is fully up to date. The cable is your lifeline. Always use a short, Apple-certified cord to prevent data signal degradation. Double-check your iPhone's CarPlay settings to ensure it has permission to run even when the screen is locked. If you use wireless CarPlay, interference is likely the culprit, whereas wired drops are almost always physical. As you can see, actual hardware failure in the Envision itself is extremely rare compared to cable issues. If all else fails, a factory reset of the IntelliLink system can clear deep-seated software glitches. Keep an eye out for a loose USB socket, which might require a physical replacement of the port hub. Always start with a brand new cable before assuming your car's infotainment system is broken. If these steps helped you stay connected, hit that subscribe button for more Buick troubleshooting playbooks.